Chapter 5. Walt Disney. Look at the picture carefully. Then, answer the questions. 1. Which place is shown in the picture? 2. Do you like to go to this place? Why? 3. What would you like to buy from this place? Walt Disney is remembered as one of the most legendary figures in the history of the entertainment industry. He was an American animator, film producer, voice actor and entrepreneur known as the pioneer of the American animated industry. Early life. Walt Disney was born on 5th December 1901 in Chicago, Illinois, USA. His father's name was Elias Disney, and his mother's was Flora Cole Disney. He had 4 siblings, 3 brothers and a sister. Walt spent most of his childhood in Massline, Missouri, USA. Walt developed a keen interest in art at a very early age. When he moved to Kansas with his family, he started taking art classes on the weekends. He would often sell drawings to neighbors to make extra money. He pursued his art career by studying art and photography at McKinley High School in Chicago. He also drew for the school newspaper. With time, Walt began to love and appreciate nature and wildlife. His mother and elder brother, Roy, encouraged Walt to pursue his talents. However, his father was not much in favor since there was little money. During World War I, when Walt was 16, he decided to fight in World War I. He was rejected because he was underage. He dropped out of school and joined the Red Cross. He spent the next year driving an ambulance for the Red Cross in France. His ambulance was covered from front to back with Disney cartoons. Beginning of career. Once Walt returned from France, he began to pursue a career in commercial art. He worked at an art studio and later at an advertising company. It was during this time that he met artist Ube Iwerks and learnt about animation. Walt wanted to make his own animated cartoons, so he started a small company called Laugh-O-Grams, which eventually fell bankrupt. However, one failure was not going to stop Disney. However, in 1923, Walt headed to Hollywood, California, to start anew with a suitcase and $20 with him. Walt Disney with his wife, Lillian. Walt started a new Disney Brothers studio business with his brother, Roy. The studio developed the popular character Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, and the business was a success. After making a success of his A-list comedies, Walt became a recognized Hollywood figure. On 13th July 1925, Walt married Lillian Bounds in Lewiston, Idaho. Birth of Mickey Mouse. Walt had to start over again when Universal Studios gained control of the Oswald trademark and took all of Disney's animators. This time, he created a new character named Mickey Mouse. He also created the first animated film to have sound, Steamboat Willie, which starred Mickey and Minnie Mouse and was a great success. Disney continued to work, creating new characters such as Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto. In 1937, after 5 years of hard work, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, a full-length animated film, was released. The film was a huge box office success, becoming the best film of 1938. During the next 5 years, Walt Disney Studios completed other full-length animated classics, such as Pinocchio, Fantasia, Dumbo, and Bambi. Disneyland. Walt Disney's dream of a clean and organized amusement park came true when Disneyland Park opened in 1955. It is a theme park with rides and entertainment based on his movies. It cost $17 million to build it. The park was a huge success and is still one of the most popular vacation destinations in the world. Disney later developed the idea of building an even larger park in Florida called Walt Disney World. He worked on the plans but died before the park opened in 1971. Disney died on 15 December 1966 from lung cancer. His legacy lives on to this day. His movies and theme parks are still enjoyed by millions of people each year, and his company continues to produce wonderful movies and entertainment every year. Walt Disney is a legend, a folk hero of the 20th century. His worldwide popularity was based upon the ideals his name represents: imagination, optimism, creation, and self made success in the American tradition. Walt Disney faced many ups and downs, but he never quit working hard to achieve his goals.